Ka odhi nyime en riwruok mar jodolo mawuok e kanise mopogore opogore kwayo rowere mag Gen Z kod oganda jo Kenya mondo were gi ng'anyo ma gisebedo ka gibage pacho ka mondo gibed e twak gi jatend piny Kenya William Ruto. Matimore tok jatend piny kiroko paro mar chik mar omenda mar higa ma 2024 2025 okang' ma bende gisiro kata bedo ni okang' ma kamano ne okaw tok ji yudo hinyruok kendo moko wito ngimagi. Giseyawo teko mang'eny mobila ma pacho ka osebedo ka tiyogo kuom jong'anyo.
To the youths, we once again congratulate you for rising to the occasion and fighting for your rights. The church, however, urges you now to come to the conversation table and allow for dialogue. We also continue to condemn police brutality and the widespread abductions and death perpetrated by the uniformed forces. We urge you to exercise restraint by directing the KDF and the National Police Service to desist from using force, tear gas, live bullets, and abide by the court order. We request the youths to cease street demonstrations and engage the government. The church is concerned that the current demonstrations may have been infiltrated by the goons and persons with ill intent, going by the destruction and the looting of property witnessed.